Welcome to UMSL Libraries Tutorials. In this video, we provide a short overview of library databases. We cover different types of databases and how to find them, and provide a basic search demo of the APA PsycInfo database. Databases are digital, searchable collections of articles, primary sources, ebooks, and other information to support your research. Some databases are multidisciplinary, which means their collections cover many subjects. Some popular multidisciplinary databases here at UMSL are Academic Search Complete and JSTOR. Other databases cover a specific subject, like education or health sciences. These databases have specialized content and offer unique search features. Finally, some databases offer a specific type of content, like newspapers or ebooks. Searching in a library database is useful for several reasons. First, databases provide access to additional resources that may not be included in the Discover at UMSL search on the library homepage. Second, many databases provide advanced search options that aren't available in the main Discover search. Finally, using a database allows you to target your search to a specific subject or source type. To find our databases, go to the library homepage at umsl.edu/library. Then click the Databases button under the search bar. This button takes you to a complete list of databases you have access to here at UMSL. Each entry tells you the database name and a short description of the content. You can access a database either on campus or at home by clicking the name and logging in with your UMSL SSO. There are several ways you can navigate the databases list. If you already know which database you want, you can scroll down the list, click the first letter of the database name, or type the name directly in the search bar at the top of the screen. To look for databases in a subject area, use the Subjects drop-down menu. Clicking a subject, for example, psychology, brings up a list of databases with psychology content. Most subjects include a Best Bets box with recommendations on the most helpful databases on that topic. You'll also see the name and contact information for the UMSL librarian who can help with your research. Finally, to find databases with a specific source type, use the Types drop-down menu. Now let's look at a short search demo of the APA PsycInfo database. Clicking the database name in the databases list takes us to the PsycInfo Advanced Search screen. Notice the search bars at the top. Unlike the basic Discover search, we have multiple search bars instead of one. Type your keywords into each search bar. For example, if your research question is, how does social media impact teenagers' mental health? Your keywords are social media, teenagers, and mental health. Put each keyword into its own search box. As you type, the database suggests alternative terms you can use to expand your search results. You can click their suggestions or use them as a starting point to brainstorm your own alternative terms. Keep keywords that go together in the same box connected by the word or. For more information on keywords and alternative terms, watch our Keywords and Operators tutorial video. Below the search bars, look for limiters that can help you narrow your search results. Some of these limiters will appear in most databases, like publication date and peer review. Others are unique to psychology research. For example, in PsycInfo, you can use the age groups limiter to tell the database you want research with subjects in a particular age range. If you decide to use the age groups filter in addition to or instead of searching for teenagers as a keyword, you will get a narrower results list. Clicking the search button takes you to the results screen. This page looks similar to the results in the library's main Discover at UMSL search. Scroll down to explore the results and click on the titles for more information. Click on Access Options for a PDF, HTML, or full text link to access each resource. If you see a Request Item button, we do not have access to the resource at UMSL. Clicking the button will autofill an interlibrary loan request form, which you can submit to request access from another library. If you do not see the results you want, or there are too many results to look through, you can adjust your keywords at the top of the screen or use the limiters under the search bar. For additional help with databases or general search strategies, please reach out to a librarian online or in person at the front desk. We are happy to help at any stage of your research.